Alright guys, welcome to my channel. I am in Tampa at the River Walk. So I'm just going to do a couple of shots around town and see what's all down this little river walk here. Let's go. Hey guys, so yeah, they have these nice areas that are shaded along the walkways, so that way you can sit here and take you a break when it's 100 degrees and you get to watch the boats go by. And then they have the lights on here that light up at night, so that way all this is lit up at night and it looks real cool when you're here at night. Maybe I can get you a picture of it later. So they have a water taxi that'll take you through all the different parts of the river walk. In case you want to walk down to one end, you could technically taxi back. They got the prices here for you, so that way you know what you're getting into. $20, $15 after 6. The different stops it'll take you to. So they have some really good shaded areas for you to sit at along the walkway. Not including just the little canvases earlier. They got some trees to shade you, which is nice on a day like today. Let's keep it going. So they have these little interesting things to read along the way as you're walking. They have a couple of these around, so you can learn a little history while you get some exercise. And drink. They do have drinks around here. Every couple of spots they have a... This is the only spot you can technically drink and walk though. They give you a little river walk cup that you can take through here on the river walk that you can drink from. Because if you go off the river walk and down the main streets, then you technically can get a ticket. So if you're gonna drink while doing this, make sure you stay on Riverwalk. Just another map of what's all around. Alright, so this is one of the other bars I was talking about that you can drink at while you're walking the river, doing the river walk. It's called the Sail. So let's go in and have us a little quick drink. at the sale was really good. They were made really strong. You got your money's worth for the liquor. And the burger was pretty good too. Was kind of thin, but other than that though, the cheese was pretty good. The bacon was kind of chewy. It wasn't crunchy like I like it, but it was still decent. I would get the burger again though if it was me. Yeah, so the sale's pretty good if you want to stop there and grab you a quick drink while you're there. So they have these pedal boats here where you can pedal and drink. It takes you around Tampa and kind of gives you a little tour. And while you're going around the water, you drink and you have to pedal in order to keep the boat moving. So that's something fun you can do while you're here.